Hi, welcome to my program. The Writers of India is continuing. Today, the Writers of India I am saying about Akitham Achyutan Nambudiri. Akitham Achyutan Nambudiri was born on 18th March 1926. Popularly known as Akitham, is a Malayalam language poet. He was born in 1926 to the couples Akitham Vasudevan Nambudiri and Chekur Parvati Andarjanam. Women belonging to Nambudiri community is generally referred as Andarjanam at Kumaranellur in Palakkad district. He is a well-known poet, essayist, editor, and a highly decorated literary personality among modern Malayalam writers, fondly known as Akita. His literary works began to gain wide attention in the early 1950s. Among his works so far is a milestone poem that brought him the Sanjayan Award in 1952, titled ഇരുപതാം നൂറ്റാണ്ടിൻ്റെ ഇതിഹാസം, Epic of the 20th Century. This poetic masterpiece of Akitham is renowned by many in the literary field as the one that heralded modernism in Malayalam poetry. In all, some 45 collections of his poems, plays and short stories by him have been published. Another noted award he got is Vision of Bali, which fetched him the Kerala Sahitya Academy Award in 1973. He also won the Vailar Award in 2012. But for this octogeneration poet, his translation of the Srimad Bhagavatam is his life's most valued work, comprising 14,630 verses. The translation turns over 2,400 printed pages. Apart from his poetic pursuits, Akitham also has keen interest in bringing social reforms relevant to the time. As a member of the Yogakshema Sabha in Thrissur, Akitham was instrumental in bringing about certain social reforms among the Nambudiri Brahmins of Kerala. He also was very much active in the efforts to promote Vedic studies in association with the famous Vedic study centers at Tirunavaya, Kadavallur and Thrissur. Akitham also took efforts to achieve the proliferation of Vedic studies among non-Brahmins. A vociferous spokesperson against untouchability, Akitham demonstrated his unwavering support by participating in the Patyam Satyagraha, peaceful protest against untouchability in 1947. He is a recipient of numerous awards recognitions, including Kendra Sahitya Academy Award, Ashan Prize, Vallathol Award, Lalitambika Sahitya Academy Award, Kerala Sahitya Academy Award, Odakudal Award, Krishnagiri Award, Vailar Award, Nalappad Award, Edutachan Award, and the Murthy Devi Award at Jnanpith Award Committee. Akitham served as the president of the Tapasya Gadu Sahitya Vedi, a cultural organization dedicated to celebrating South Indian heritage from 1985 to 1999. After his social education, he had his college education also, but he did not complete his degree study. However, he did get exposition in several other fields, which include Sanskrit, music, astrology, and even drawing and painting. Akitham actually started his career as a journalist. He was through a small magazine called Unni Nambudiri, a magazine brought out by the Nambudiri organization working in those periods. Also, he worked with two other magazines, Mangalodayam and Yogakshemam, as assistant editor. Later, in 1956, he joined All India Radio Kozhikode as a scriptwriter and continued there until 1975. Then he shifted to Thrissur to work as the editor of the program Vayalum Veedum, Paddy Field and Home in Air Thrissur. He was having a major assignment with Anadi, a magazine brought out for popularizing Vedas and related issues. Akitham relations to Malayalam literature are innumerable as well as remarkable. The three small epics, ഇരുപതാം നൂറ്റാണ്ടിന്റെ ഇതിഹാസം, ദേവസേവിക and Baldarshanam, have attracted the attention of almost every lovers of Malayalam literature. More than 80 collections of poems have also come out from his creativity. Sagar Sangeet by C.R. Das has been translated into Malayalam by Akitham in the same Sagar Sangeetam. Unnikinavugal, Urugula, Mundiringa and Kalithotil are three collections of children's literature, two collections of songs and a collection of stories by name. Avadalangal has come out in his name. Ubadayanam and Samavartanam are two collections of articles. He has tried his creativity in drama also and has brought out one by name Iyetathi Nunaye Parayu. His drama Iyetathi Nunaye Parayu. This drama has been performed several school stages also, presented by school students during their anniversary celebrations many times. Some of Akitham's poems has been selectively included in the compilation Akithathinte Thiranjedutha Kathakal in 1986. His brother Akitham Narayan is a world famous sculptor and painter and sculptor and settled in Paris. His son Akitham Vasudevan is an eminent artist. He died on 15th October 2020. Sridevi Antarjanam was his wife. Please watch my video about Akitham on YouTube. My YouTube channel name is Ramesh RS. REMESHRS. Only small letters necessary for it. REMESHRS. Please subscribe my channel. Watch my old videos completely. Share it, like it, subscribe it. Encourage everyone to subscribe my channel. Please continue to watch my video about Akitham Narayanan.